It doesn't matter what each day brings, so long as you can say, I am here.
Prince is in a battle with Bobby Axelrod. I know, I don't like this. Back up.
Other dimension.
I don't like this game.
You just keep tearing and tearing until there's nothing left to tear.
I don't know what you're doing. I hate it when people mess with my money. Ooh.
It's getting tribal out there. Talk about Shadow Down.
You're a monster.
That's right. I am a monster.
Boy, do I love that thing.
Episode 16. This episode I'm working with Braden and Colton, two brothers. First time working with a little bit of everything. We find ourselves focusing on line choice, outsides of the track, and just simply to not ride down the center of the track. So this video talks a lot about that. Before we get started with this video, I want to with you guys real time. And comments right there on the spot. It's a new platform called Discussion Bar, which I'm super excited about, and it's as simple as this. You'll be able to click the link below on my YouTube, download on Google Chrome, which will take, seriously, it took me 2 seconds, and once you do that, you'll have a little icon that appears here when you open up YouTube. Click into Discussion Bar. Do this. That'll bring you to the chat room list. You could just simply type in AJ Catanzaro, pop up. Tonight, I'm gonna be on. Those of you that want to join us and have back and forth as we're watching the video, click bar.
Right in the beginning, you can't try to get into it halfway through, you just try to go around it.
full intro and realized I was in super style, so lost all that footage. I'm here today with Colton and Braden. They're brothers. Colton is on an 85, Braden is on a 50, and we're just gonna work a little bit of everything. Working some corners and some straightaways. This is the first time I've worked with these guys, so I'm just really trying to just see what they got going on. If you watch Colton come through this turn, he keeps jumping out of the rut, and that's because he's sitting too far back on the seat. For a 50, Braden's doing pretty good, but his feet are pointed way, way out, so you could see the bike bouncing in between his legs. Throw it up and out of the rut. It's because he's sitting halfway back on the seat. He doesn't have enough weight on that front end to keep him stuck in that rut. Now watch Braden's feet here. He's on his arches, just riding with his toes out like that. Both have separate issues, but these should be pretty easy issues to work out. What was one thing that you could do in that rut? What was your bike trying to do? Riding out of over and over. That's because you don't have enough weight on the front. So you were going down straight with the attack position. What's your guys' attack position? For the most part, it's pretty good. Some small tweaking you can do for sure. But your attack position straight away is pretty good. As soon as you sit, you just go like this. Right where you are. So if you were sitting for the turn, here, or probably even further back, so you have no weight on the front end. You have to aim for the front part of that seat. I don't want you sitting on your gas cap necessarily, but you should be covering all of the seat. That's going to get some weight to the upper body at that point. It's going to do this first, so straight up and down. So you're going to be relaxing the upper body, but your butt's forward. That's going to keep the weight to the front. It also gets some weight to the front. Just sitting on the halfway back of your seat, 3/4 way back in the seat like you were. Of course, that's right. It's got to be here. So that's why it's so hard to get it here at times. That's a great habit of keeping it down in here. I'd rather just have you guys keep it on the foot peg, get comfortable and confident doing that. Right there, and it should always be tight up against the frame, and even like that, if you could point or drive your heel out and point your toe in. Same thing on this side, right against the frame, boom, right here. As silly as that sounds, and as small of a change as that seems, where's this go? Stand up again. There we go. That is going to get your knees right and keep your knees gripping. The problem with when your feet were out is your knees were just out here, just kind of flapping around in the breeze, right? So that puts all of the weight